Life is busy. The hustle and bustle of city life can be overwhelming. We find ourselves constantly on the move, navigating through crowded streets and rushing from one place to another. We rush from work to errands to social commitments. Our days are filled with endless tasks, from grocery shopping to attending social events. It feels like there's never a moment to pause. It's easy to forget to care for ourselves. The stress and pressure can build up, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. We often neglect our own well-being in the process. Taking time for relaxation is not selfish, it's essential. Finding moments of peace and tranquility is crucial for our mental and physical health. It's about giving ourselves permission to take a break. A long, relaxing shower can be your escape. Imagine stepping into a warm, steamy shower, letting the water wash away the stress of the day. It's a simple yet powerful way to unwind. It's a chance to unwind. Feel the tension in your muscles release as the water cascades over your skin. It's a moment to let go of all the worries and just be present. It's a chance to be alone with your thoughts. In the shower, you can reflect, daydream, and reconnect with yourself. It's a rare opportunity to have some quiet time in a busy world. Let the worries of the day melt away. As the water flows down your back, imagine all your stress and anxiety being washed away. It's a cleansing experience for both body and mind. Even small changes can make a big difference. Adding elements like aromatherapy candles or essential oils can enhance your shower experience, making it even more relaxing and rejuvenating. Transform your shower into a spa-like experience. Reconnect with yourself. Create a sanctuary in your own bathroom where you can escape and recharge. It's about making self-care a priority. Embrace the power of self-care. After a refreshing shower, you'll feel rejuvenated and ready to take on the world. Remember, taking care of yourself is the first step to finding calm in the chaos. Don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more tips on transforming your daily routines. Give us a thumbs up and ring the notification bell for additional insights and ideas to enhance your self-care journey. Transforming your shower doesn't require a complete renovation. You don't need to tear down walls or install expensive fixtures to create a sanctuary. Small changes can make a big difference. Simple adjustments can elevate your shower experience to a whole new level. Start with decluttering. Remove empty bottles and old razors. Clear out anything that doesn't serve a purpose anymore. A tidy space creates a calm mind. When your environment is organized, it helps you feel more relaxed and at peace. Next, choose a luxurious body wash. Opt for products that not only cleanse but also nourish your skin. Look for calming scents like lavender or chamomile. These fragrances can help you unwind and de-stress after a long day. Add a few drops of essential oils to a washcloth. This simple step can transform your shower into an aromatherapy session. Eucalyptus and peppermint can invigorate your senses. These scents are perfect for a morning boost or a midday refresh. Invest in a new shower head for a spa-like experience. A high-quality shower head can make a world of difference. A rainfall shower head creates a gentle, soothing effect. The sensation of water cascading down can be incredibly relaxing. Soft, fluffy towels are also a must. They provide comfort and add a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Wrapping yourself in a plush towel can make you feel pampered and cared for. Consider adding a scented candle to your bathroom. The soft glow and pleasant aroma can enhance the ambiance. A small plant can also bring a touch of nature indoors. It adds a fresh, vibrant feel to your shower space. Adjust the lighting to suit your mood. Soft, dimmable lights can create a serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding. With these simple changes, your shower can become a sanctuary, a place where you can escape, relax, and rejuvenate. Enjoy the little luxuries and make your daily routine something to look forward to. Your shower sanctuary awaits. Embrace the tranquility and make every shower a blissful experience. Music can transform your shower into a spa. Use a waterproof speaker. Play calming melodies or nature sounds. Close your eyes and let the music transport you. Lighting is also important. Dim the lights or use candles outside the shower. Soft lighting creates a relaxing ambiance. Take deep breaths, inhale the calming scents. Enjoy the feeling of warm water on your skin. Allow yourself to truly relax. Benefits beyond the bathroom. Creating a spa-like shower has many benefits. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about creating a sanctuary within your home. It reduces stress and promotes relaxation. The warm water and soothing environment help to calm your mind and body. You'll sleep better and feel more energized. A relaxing shower before bed can improve your sleep quality, helping you wake up refreshed. Taking time for yourself improves your overall well-being. It's a moment to disconnect from the chaos of daily life and reconnect with yourself. A spa-like shower can also boost your mood. The combination of warm water, pleasant scents, and a peaceful environment can elevate your spirits. Essential oils like lavender and eucalyptus can enhance the experience, providing additional relaxation benefits. You'll start your day feeling refreshed and positive. A good shower can set the tone for the entire day, making you feel more prepared to tackle whatever comes your way. Making time for self-care is essential. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. Prioritizing these moments can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. When you feel your best, you can be your best. Taking care of yourself allows you to be more present and effective in all areas of your life. Ready to transform your shower into a spa escape? Start today and experience the benefits for yourself. Tell us in the comments about your favorite hack for turning your shower into a spa. We'd love to hear from you. Remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell for more tips and inspiration. Embrace the joy of you. Remember, you deserve to be pampered. Make time for yourself each day. Even small acts of self-care can make a big difference. Indulge in a spa-like shower. Embrace the power of relaxation. You'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on your life. Take deep breaths. Relax. Enjoy the journey. You are worth it. Thanks for dropping in today, and we'll see you in the next video.